Hey, it's Doug here at Santa Clara Cycle. Today we're looking at this very cool 1971 Honda CT90. This is Honda's entry-level on-off-road motorcycle. Has the 90cc single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, semi-automatic high-low transmission. This is a clean title California bike. Has 3,902 miles on the odometer. This bike has new tires, front and rear, runs complete, ready to ride. This is not the cleanest bike in the world. This is not restored. But for only $11.95, you have a running complete on off-road dual sport that would be great for camping. Great all-around bike, very dependable and ready to go. Stop on by Santa Clara Cycle and check it out. Reach that 408-730-0600.